Later.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah,
Can I get you guys anything to drink or snacks?
Wait, do you have snacks?
Yeah. Hey, can we watch High School Musical too?
Oh yeah, because I have Disney Plus. I just got it.
Oh,
Okay, that
nice.
sounds good.
Yeah,
We should definitely do that. Here's your popcorn.
Thank you.
Okay, so here's the important question: which one? 1, 2, or 3? One, obviously. One.
Definitely one.
Okay. Let me pull it up.
Hi, Miss Montez. I'm Troy Bolton.
Gabriella is kind of busy with homework and such, so now's not really a good time.
Oh my god. I don't remember it being this sad.
I know.
So I'm gonna sing. What about you?
I don't know, Troy.
Well, you need to say yes. Because I brought you something.
What do you mean?
Turn around. This could be the start of something new. It feels so right to be here with you. Oh.
Hey, this reminds me of what we learned in anatomy about the sliding filament theory. Do you guys remember that?
Oh, yes.
Flashback.
This is a diagram of the steps of the contraction of a skeletal muscle. We first start in the motor neuron, in which the action potential is sent down the axon of the motor neuron, seen here. And the action potential eventually reaches the axon terminal, and the action potential releases acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter. They get released into the synapse, which then attach to the sarcolemma, which consists of the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Although not seen here, the acetylcholine causes sodium to rush into the cell and potassium to rush out. This exchange, called depolarization, creates another action potential across the sarcolemma, and this actually stimulates sarcoplasmic reticulum to release calcium. The calcium exposes actin by occupying troponin and moving tropomyosin out of the way, represented by Gabriella's mom preventing Troy and Gabriella's interaction in High School Musical. Now that the actin is available, the myosin heads form a cross bridge with actin, like when Troy climbs up to the balcony to see Gabriella and they finally get to talk. The myosin pulls the actin towards the center of the sarcomere, and the muscle finally contracts. The only thing that can stop this interaction is the presence of ATP, or energy, which releases the hold of myosin heads from the actin, which breaks the cross bridge. The final step is acetylcholine, sodium, potassium, calcium, actin, and myosin all returning to their initial position, and the muscle finally relaxes.
End of flashback.
Hey guys, I'm kind of hungry. Do you want to go to Publix? I think Anna and Sierra-Loren are already ahead of us.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Let's go.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Time to get subs.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Hey guys, should we eat our sandwiches somewhere? Yeah, let's go to the park.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the park.
If you tap now to watch this short video,
you will receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Whatever. I guess we'll just watch it.
Okay. Did you know that we are having a special offer where if you sign up now, you can not only get 2 ATP faster, you get lactic acid and pyruvate, which is the anaerobic respiration plan.
That's a good deal. Yeah.
The other plan is called the aerobic respiration plan, where if you pay a small fee of oxygen, then you will get 32 ATP but at a slower rate.
That one sounds
Now,
good too.
back to uninterrupted listening for 30 minutes.
Yes. Yes.
Guys, I'm so excited to eat this sandwich. Like,
Yes, I'm so hungry.
Yeah, let's sit over there.
Okay.
Oh my god, yes.
oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat. I'm starving.
Wait. This reminds me of the gross anatomy of the muscle.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're so true.
exactly
Wait,
right.
this can help us study.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Okay. So, what is this whole thing?
So basically, this part of the bag would be the tendon, since
Okay.
it branches off like the connective
Right?
tissue.
Connects to the bone.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
And this would be the belly of the muscle wrapped with the epimysium, which is the
Epimysium.
plastic bag,
Okay.
holding the whole muscle together.
Okay. What about when you open it?
So when you open it, all 3 sandwiches are wrapped by this sandwich paper.
Okay.
And
And
so
the sandwich paper is the PERIMYSIUM.
Yeah.
That holds all the fascicles together.
Yeah, it holds the fascicles together.
And we open it up. Usually there's more fascicles though, right?
Yeah.
We only have one.
Yeah, right now this is a representation of one fascicle.
Okay.
And this fascicle has 3
Three.
myofibers.
Yeah.
So
And then what's this?
that would be the endomysium, since it wraps every single myofiber.
That makes sense.
yeah.
What happens when we look at one myofiber? Okay, so what does this represent? Like, how does it look?
So these lines that are on the bread represent striations, since a muscle cell is striated.
Okay, and then we open it up, and what does it look like?
Well, since there's multiple tomatoes, that represents how it's multinucleated.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
that's a good-
Okay,
And because the sub is cylindrical, that means it's
it's just cylindrical like the cell that we're talking about, okay?
And it's also long. It's longer than it is wide, so it would represent a muscle cell.
Oh my gosh. And can it represent like how you can voluntarily move your muscles?
Yeah, since
Like
you
I
can
can literally
voluntarily,
pick
yeah.
up the sandwich and eat it whenever I want to. Okay, cool.
Snack time with Anna. As Anna dazes off into the sunset, she uses her sternocleidomastoid to turn her head. She then uses her PLATYSMA to open her jaw for her sandwich. She then uses her masseter to bite down. That delicious sandwich. Look at that masseter go. Delicious. How's that sandwich, Anna?
oh my goodness, I am so full.
Oh,
Yeah, me
same.
too.
Oh my gosh.
We should go to the gym and get physical, because I'm trying to work off some calories.
Yeah, let's burn this calories.
Let's burn
guys.
them.
We are going to do a full body workout starting with abs. Elizabeth is working her rectus abdominis by crunches. Her rectus abdominis is located centrally on her core and is responsible for flexing the abdomen. Now she is working her external and internal obliques, which allow for a rotation. This is where the obliques are located. She is working her deltoids, which are located right there. They help for abduction, and she's also working her pectoralis major, which adducts the arms. Naya is warming up her trapezius muscle. It is located here, and it aids in rotating the scapula. Naya is now working out her latissimus dorsi, which is located here. Responsible for aiding in adduction and extension of the arms.
Sierra-Loren is working her biceps brachii, which is located here. It is the prime mover in flexing the arm. Now she is working the antagonist of the biceps, the triceps brachii, which is located here. They work to extend the arm.
Hey, I got my
muscles like Superman trainer. Ay, real rare like Super Saiyan manga. I stomp on Lucifer's Satan. Now I got a few rings on Jupiter's skating. I meant to say.
A few moments later.
Daisy is working her quadriceps group, which is located here. It flexes the thigh and extends the knee. Now she's working her hamstrings group, which is located here. It extends the thigh and flexes the knee. Sierra-Loren is doing calf raises, which is working her gastrocnemius muscle. It is located here. It is the prime mover of plantar flexion. Sierra-Loren is doing toe raises. She is working her tibialis anterior, which is located in the front of the tibia. It is also the prime mover of dorsiflexion.
Naya is now working out her gluteus maximus, which is known as the stair-step muscle, and it's located here. Its function is to abduct the legs.
1 hour later.
That was a good workout, guys. We can get going now.
Hey, wait, you know what I just realized? We kind of went over the whole muscles unit without even studying.
Oh my gosh, you're so right.
Yeah, that's so true.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
3, 1, 2, 3.